Hey there, future ebook moguls and money-making enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to unveil a treasure trove of knowledge on how you can unleash the cash cow with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. We'll show you how to write ebooks like a seasoned pro using ChatGPT in under 24 hours, and more importantly, how to make some easy AI money from it. And this is the video that could change your life. But first, before we dive into the goldmine of ebook writing, do me a favor, hit that like button, smash the subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So, what's all the buzz about? It's about unlocking the cash cow with AI. ChatGPT is your partner in crime on this epic journey to ebook stardom. With ChatGPT by your side, you can craft ebooks that'll have readers coming back for more. And trust me, there's a sea of readers out there hungry for valuable content. Now, let's talk about the toolkit you'll need to conquer ebook writing with ChatGPT. Don't worry, you don't need to be a literary genius. All you need is ChatGPT, an internet connection, and your creativity. It's like having a virtual writing assistant at your fingertips, 24/7. Writing ebooks like a pro isn't as daunting as it sounds. It's about channeling your inner author and letting ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Step 1. Set the stage with your ebook topic and target audience. Step 2. Engage ChatGPT and provide some initial guidance. Step 3. Let ChatGPT weave its magic and generate your ebook content. Step 4. Polish and personalize your ebook for that professional touch. Now, here's where the magic happens, turning those words into easy AI money. You can monetize your ebooks through self-publishing on platforms like Amazon Kindle, selling them on your website, or even giving them away as lead magnets to grow your online presence and business. The more ebooks you have out there, the more potential for easy AI money. But wait, we're not done yet. I've got some insider tips to make sure your ebook venture is a roaring success. Tip 1. Find a profitable niche or topic that resonates with your audience. Tip 2. Invest time in creating a compelling cover and title for your ebook. Tip 3. Promote your ebook across social media and email marketing. And tip 4. Keep writing and publishing to build a loyal readership. There you have it, my future ebook tycoons, the secrets to unleashing the cash cow with ChatGPT, writing ebooks like a pro in under 24 hours, and making easy AI money while doing it. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about sharing your knowledge and passion with the world. If you found this video as exciting as I did, make sure you share it with your fellow aspiring authors and hit that subscribe button for more invaluable content like this. Until next time, keep writing, keep earning, and keep unlocking the cash cow with ChatGPT. Thanks for joining us today, everyone, signing off and reminding you that with ChatGPT, you've got the power to write your way to success and easy AI money. See you in the next video.